Hey, what's going on, guys? So today I'm trying out some homemade spicy pickled eggs. All right, this is a Dave Canterbury recipe. If you don't know Dave Canterbury, you're missing out. But he is a survivalist, and he runs a school, the Wilderness Outfitters, and teaches all about bushcraft and wilderness survival. It's been on television. Very accredited guy, very nice guy. I had the chance to meet him twice. But anyway, he's been posting a lot of cooking videos lately, which I've been really enjoying, and this is one of them. So what happened was I had 3 jalapenos that were fresh off my plant. I was ready to chop them up, and I didn't know what to do with them. Originally I was just going to pickle them, and I just so happened to see his video on these spicy pickled eggs, which use fresh jalapenos. So that's what I did. I used the jalapenos in here. Alright, got some eggs. I mean, you could see his recipe. I was going to do a cooking video, but what's the point? Because I'm just copying what he was doing. So what I'll do is instead, I'll make a comment and I'll put a link to his video if you want to see how to make these. Alright, so these have been sitting in my refrigerator pickling for 7 days now. Alright, so I got all the goodness in there, peppercorns and spices and of course those jalapenos and stuff. And eggs. Alright, so here we go. I'm just going to try it on video. First impressions. It's been a week. He said to let these sit for at least a week. So here we go. The brine smells pretty good. Smells definitely like eggs, kind of like when you have hard-boiled eggs and they kind of smell like a fart. I know it doesn't sound appetizing, but that it's that sulfury type smell. Now the only thing is, his recipe, he said you can use white vinegar or apple cider vinegar. I used one of each. I doubled the recipe. So I did 1 cup of white and 1 cup of apple cider. So just in case you do copy his and you're like, well, why is yours kind of murky looking? Well, that's why. If you use all white, it'll obviously be more clear. Well, I mean, it doesn't smell bad. So here we go. I got a napkin and I have a fork. So I'm going to stick, well, first, before I even, well, I'll try the egg first. I was going to say, I got to try these jalapenos too. So let's fork one of these out of here. All right, be careful. Definitely don't want to drop this and shoot that juice everywhere. Alright, so there's the egg. It's definitely an off-white, very light khaki color. Alright. Yeah, smells the same as the jar. Alright, here we go. Bottoms up. There's the inside of it. Hopefully that's somewhat focused. That's not half bad. It's not super spicy though. Definitely gonna try one of those jalapeno slices in a minute here. It's nice. It's not too sweet either. I was worried that it would actually come out kind of sweet. I do love pickled eggs. I like beet pickle eggs, which uses the beet juice, and sometimes there'll be pickled beets in there as well. That is awesome. Really, really love those. They kind of turn a nice deep red color because beet juice is really, vibrant red. But yeah, I mean, I feel like pickled eggs, it's kind of nice. It's nice that it's homemade. That's always, something that's extra special. For this recipe, I ended up using McCormick's Pickling Spices. I was going to get the stuff individually and make my own little batch, but I was missing 2 or 3 of the ingredients, and it was just cheaper just to buy the pre-mix. Of course, all pickling spices are not going to be created equal as far as the portions and the exact stuff that's in there. That's where a lot of the flavors coming is from the pickling spices. But yeah, I mean, I like it. I think it's really good. Very good. I don't know if I'll make like some egg salad with this. I think that would kick it up a little notch. Actually, I just realized that egg salad with the pickled beet eggs would be amazing. I never even thought of that. But anyway, there it is. Pickled eggs from Dave Canterbury. It was a good recipe. I liked it. Golly, boys. I like Dave. Dave's a cool guy. If you watch his videos, like, he makes a lot of the food he's been making is I shouldn't talk my mouth full, excuse me. All the recipes he's been doing have been just really out of this world. It all looks amazing, and every time he makes something, he'll eat it, take a bite, and just golly, because it's good, right? So anyway, that is good. That came out good. I'm very happy about that. Let's go ahead and try one of these jalapenos though, because there's just a little bit of tingle but I want some heat. All right. Nice pickled jalapeno. Put that jar down. All right, kind of looks like a pickle instead of a little jalapeno, but bottoms up. Cheers. That's really good. It really absorbs those pickling spices, though. It's a very specific flavor. I've had other pickling spices, like when I made it before and put it together, there was a different flavor profile that I liked more. This has a lot more nutmeggy, you know, like, what is it? Not allspice. I'm trying to think of the mace, maybe? I don't know, but it has a very strong, like, holiday type spice, you know, like not quite pumpkin spice, but something similar to that, which, you know, I don't prefer as much. It's not bad at all, but don't get me wrong, they don't taste like pumpkin spice eggs. Although I am a very weird person, I wouldn't mind that if they sold that somewhere. But yeah, I like a different flavor profile. So I think in this case, I mean, the eggs came out perfect, the recipe works great, but the spices you put in it make a huge difference. All right, so just, you know, note that if this is something you try out and you're like, I don't really like it, try it with different spices. But anyway, that's pretty much it for this one. Thanks for watching. Check out Dave's channel, and hope you have a wonderful day. I'll see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.